If you want to know how to merge two CapCut clips into one, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to combine two separate clips inside CapCut, so they behave like one single clip on your timeline. This is super useful when you want to keep your project organized, make editing easier, or move a group of clips around without separating them. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open the project where you want to merge your clips. Then import both video clips into your project. You can usually do this by clicking the Import button and selecting the files from your computer. Once both clips are inside CapCut, drag them down to the timeline. At this point, make sure both clips are placed in the correct order. You want the second clip to sit directly after the first clip, with no big gap in between. This is important because if the clips are not lined up properly, the merge may not work the way you want. Now, select both clips on the timeline. On a Windows computer, hold Ctrl and click each clip so they are both highlighted. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent selection method for your system. Once both clips are selected, right-click on one of them to open the menu. From the options that appear, choose Create Compound Clip. CapCut will now combine those two clips into one single compound clip. That means the clips are now merged together and can be moved, trimmed, or edited as one unit. This is really helpful if you want to keep your timeline clean or apply edits to both clips at the same time. If you ever need to change something later, you can still go back into the compound clip and edit the original footage if needed. So, to recap, just import both clips, drag them into the timeline, place the second clip right after the first, select both clips, right-click, and create a compound clip. In just a few clicks, your two clips are now combined into one. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.